In today's episode, we're exploring Canada's first Goodyear Tire Factory in Bowmanville, Ontario, which is now set to be demolished. The factory opened in 1898 and operated for more than a century before closing in 2016. In 1910, the company partnered with Goodyear, which later purchased the plant and made it the company's first manufacturing facility outside the United States. As the factory expanded in the early 1900s, it became one of Bowmanville's largest employers and had over 2,000 workers in the facility at the time. During World War II, the plant produced a number of rubber products for the war, including boot soles and fire hoses. Recently, over the years, parts of the factory were also damaged by several fires, which led to rebuilding and changes to some of the buildings on the site. After the war, production gradually shifted away from tires and focused more on industrial rubber products, such as conveyor belts used in mining and manufacturing plants. After more than 100 years of operation, the plant officially closed in 2016. But join us as we explore this historic factory before demolition and more vandalism.
This flat tire needs a man, but when there's no man around, Goodyear should be. Why? Watch this. New Goodyear Double Eagle carries its own spare inside. Lifeguard safety spare. A tire in a tire. Keeps on going. Next time, give her a second chance.
Oh, Dad, this is cool. Are these still all working? Yo, that means the wall is like right there. Oh, that's machine. Buffalo, New York is from Machinery Company. Go upstairs, maybe. Go. Do you want to go through here first?
Yeah, that shit's awesome. Yo. Oh my god.
Look at the fog coming in. Turn off your light. It'll look cooler.
It's like heaven though.
Yeah. Look it. It's flooding everywhere in here. Something fell. It's so humid in here, it's crazy. You want to keep going and find, you know, the part where it caught on fire? Or is that, do you think that's that way? This thing's cool, eh? The machine?
Everything.
Yeah. This is some sort of cage right here. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. This place is so, like, we shouldn't have came when it was so wet.
Yeah, it's a small space.
Oh dude, there's so much asbestos in here. And mold. Oh fuck. That was loud. Oh my god. Bro,
The insulation.
plug your nose, bro.
The insulation.
This is not bad to breathe in.
Well, actually, this might be the second
Oh my god! It's so slippery! Dude, what am I in?
Ice.
No, like, the material's like on my shoe. Oh, damn. We're in the second building now. Damn, look, bro, it collapsed.
We can probably go out and look at it.
Yo, look over there.
This is where, like, the whole roof is.
You can see the smoke stack. We are not gonna go this way. This is where the thing collapsed. Right there's a fucking, it's sinking in. Here, let's go this way. There's a fan right here. Yo, let's look at the controls over here. We went this. Bro, let's check out this though. Alright, where we can go. Fuck, I just slipped. What?
I don't know.
Oh. Yo, this is where it collapsed, remember? Damn. Alarm.
I found a smokestack. Yeah.
We spotted a camera on the property, but we weren't sure if it worked or not. So we made
Go
sure
under
and
it.
went under it. You sure? It's still plugged in now. That's the front right there, man. Before we left, we went back and then went upstairs to see what we can find before we leave. On the way out, we spotted the squatter that was at the end of the road where we were leaving from, and we were catching our Uber, so now we leave and then try to escape from this weird person.